day 3. Welcome to Nassau, the Bahamas. How's the audio? Terrible? I know. I do know now that we've evacuated to the hot tub on deck 12. The adults only hot tub, if you will. And we're parked, or almost parked, sorry, almost done, at Nassau, Bahamas. And we're next to a carnival ship. And since I'm not a big time boat person, I have to look at the side. It is the Elation. Carnival Elation. I see a solarium. I see lifeboats. I see a whale tail. I see a water slide. And I think that's a resort off the distance. So we'll probably go do a little bit more exploring later. But for now, there's where the Aqua Mouse goes out over. Very fun today. Don't make me choose a theme. I like them both. Why does this keep happening to me? Oh, look at those waves. That's right. It's sunny out there. Now featuring the part of the Aqua Mouse that extends over the deck. I think I said yesterday, you can't really tell like you're over the ocean. Technically, I guess you are. This is good quality entertainment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash the notification bell. Do all the things. There we go. Hooray! Terrible day on the Disney Wish. This time, Nassau in the Bahamas. And more latte. Thanks to Latte for getting that coffee. She chuckled. Day 3 at sea. Except we're not seeing more. Now we're at Nassau, Bahamas. So we've already been up this morning, came into port, and then we went and rode Aqua Mouse again, did some pool stuff, had a late breakfast. Now we're getting ready to shower and go into the port just to dip our toe in and then come back to the ship. So, gonna be a little bit of this, but not much. But before that, there's probably another Aqua Mouse shot and maybe something else. Then we'll get over to Nassau. And all the ships at sea. Closer look. iPhone stabilization, do you think? Something called Sharkies. There. And of course, green building. Let's focus it in on it. There we go. Senor Frogs. One gangway to serve you. Look at you. Oh, look at you. Yes, we've disembarked and I've lost yet another fuzzy thing for my microphone. Oh, no. So I think this might be a little windy, but I think I have another one. So let's stand by. Whoa, and it is breezy today. Ah, the wish. Okay, so, and we're fore, not aft, so, let's see. We're up there by the bridge. Never mind, we're not, this is the aft. Yeah, we're looking at the aft of the ship. It's so immodest. We don't really know where we're going, so we're just gonna follow the tourists.
Yeah.
And we're gonna stick to the touristy areas. Guys, we did it. We found it. Booze and Cruise Bahamian Queen 1, world's #1 party boat. All right, I'm gonna retire. My work is done here. Nassau, a mess. Did I mention we did 0 preparation? Oh, glass bottom boat tour. Sir Milo, Boughton, Butler. Never met an office he didn't want to run for and or serve. Alright, we're here at the tourist market. How many times can I say tourist today? We settled. We settled at some corner place. The Twisted Lime Island Bar. There's a ship back there. In the new area they're building. You got the traditional Bahama Mama. I have a mojito coming my way. Mojito. This is probably going to be our one stop before we go back to the show. Success. 2 Bahamian style cocktails. In the wind.
Very witty.
Bahama Mama. Mojito. I got fresh squeezed lime juice.
Sure did.
There. Fresh mint. And fresh Mickey. Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Oh, the tourism police station. That's where the tourists go when they do wrong things.
Oh, no.
Well, I can definitely say one thing.
Didn't land there?
I've been to the Bahamas.
You have.
I've been in Nassau, so and not for very long. Had our drink and we're heading back. Look, we have important business to attend to still on the ship. We have to learn about mixology.
We do.
And we have to do something else. Oh, so we have steak palo for dinner.
We do.
All right.
And we have to pass out pixie dust.
Oh, we have to pass out pixie and ducks.
And ducks.
And ducks. Okay, here we go. Ahoy, hoy. Popular tourist destination, Atlantis. They have a water park and stuff like that, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go back on our wish ship.
Vodka, and we have coconut with Malibu. So now you can tell me what is the main ingredient in that cocktail? What is the heart of that cocktail? Say the vodka and the Malibu. That's the heart of the cocktail. What is the flavor? The juices. What is the body? The champagne. So all of us we will, at the end of the class, you will understand how the things work. If you see, I make a star fish out of orange. Okay. Remember the blue curacao? Mm-hmm. Blue curacao is an orange.
That is a TTFN to Nassau, Bahamas. As I just told Val, I don't see anybody running along the dock. That's a good sign that we didn't leave anybody behind. Also, we're only like 15 minutes off of all aboard, so good job, everybody. You know what's next? Castaway Cay in the morning. Oh hey, it is you're staying off camera. You're right off the side. But this is our first room service of our trip, and we're already on day 3. We're a little bit behind on room service. Unless you count continental breakfast. We have done that every morning. But today, before we get ready for dinner and a night out, we have 2 orders of all hands on deck with some wine. So take that. Alright, our fancy Pirates Night treat is not really piratey at all. We're walking down the hallway right now. There's Val. We're going to steak palo for dinner and a little cocktail ahead of time at the Rose. We will not be going to Enchanté, but I do like to say Enchanté. Oh, get you. Hello.
There's the rose.
I will accept this rose. Here, I will also accept. I'll also accept a skeleton on that rose. Would you like a picture?
Thank you for bringing her back to us.
I accidentally walked in Enchanté.
Yeah.
He heard your captain. We must be walking harder if we want to that southern journey.
Do the fireworks. Do the fireworks, dude.
This is what our cabin sounded like last night at 2:45 in the morning.
And I snored through it. Towel animals do you see that are towel cakes?
Yeah.
Not too many, I'll bet.
Layers of towel.
Oops, pan down for the
What's
50,
in the
sorry.
bag?
What's in the box?
Bag? Open it.
Gwyneth Paltrow's head, always. And it's pirate night, so we got ye olde Kraken with gold coins. All right, not quite the birthday cake, but then again, it's not our birthday. So, and the room's nice and cold. I should go investigate that air conditioning situation. And our room's pretty clean too. We're doing good.
Mm-hmm.